A simple way to think about this indicator is green bars indicate bullish momentum, especially strong when values are over zero. Red bars refer to bearish momentum, especially strong when they have negative values and remain under zero for an extended time. Recently, the chart has shifted from bearish to neutral movement, and when values began to overtake zero into positive values, it coincided roughly with a break of this clear resistance area in price. When this indicator goes from negative to positive values, it's known as a positive or bullish zero line cross. So it's not much of a surprise to see contact with the 1425 resistance level of price take place when values were close to and eventually crossed over zero into positive territory. With consecutive green bars with values over zero, bullish momentum was strong. With the recent appearance of a series of red bars, it indicates a shift towards more bullish momentum, especially as values lower towards zero during the decline of bullish momentum. Although values eventually go below zero, it's only for a short time, which is why there was no major drop, but rather a series of downswings. When price goes more range-bound, it's not unusual to see the oscillator move more close to zero without any major peaks to the positive or negative side. With values currently under zero, we see another bullish development. Green bars heading towards zero, showing bullish momentum right around the same time price begins to rise. In addition to the indicator values crossing over zero, it would also be good to see price break over and consecutively close over this resistance level again. And overall, that's turning out to be the case. And yes, there is mostly strong bullish momentum when green bars are consecutively going higher, while price begins to go over this resistance level. When red bars appear but values are still over zero, this indicates periods when bullish momentum is decreasing but the overall uptrend is still underway. Again, less preferred conditions for the indicator to be seen clearly when values are close to zero without any major peaks. Often, such as in this case, when price is in a defined range. Values did cross under zero for a bearish period, but it was not strong bearish momentum, due to the absence of any large red bars driving significantly lower, which makes sense since price was in a neutral to bearish period. In sharp contrast, here's a smooth positive slope where values cross over zero for another zero line cross in the positive bullish direction. It's followed up with green bars consecutively moving higher for a clear display of bullish momentum during some of the strongest phases during this uptrend's initial bullish breakout.